Hello, everyone. Welcome. This is the Crypto Libertarian here, doing another review for you guys. Can you really make 15 to 30% a month with TLC? Well, stick to this review, an honest review. Before we get started, couple of disclaimer here. I am not keyword trying to get you into this company. I don't believe it is a wise decision to do that. I'll explain why in a bit. I believe that putting your money into this company is probably one of the worst decisions you can ever make. So why am I saying, oh, stay away from this company? So let's find out. Before we do that, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and feel free to share this video as well with your friends who have unfortunately put their money into TLC.ai. And yes, I've noticed that a lot of heavy hitter when it comes to, uh, I want to be nice, but I can't. People, promoter who had consistently promoted a lot of Ponzi scheme in the past, like hundreds of those over and over again, being promoting this. It doesn't really mean anything, but it's a massive red flag because they are attracted to this kind of thing. And they're trying to get more people to get into a deal like this. What I mean by that? So I'm gonna go over some of the red flag that I'm seeing, each point by point. First red flag is right here. 15 to 30% monthly average for 12 months. Doesn't seem like there's a problem, right? Until you look at a compound interest calculator. Did a calculation already. So let's just say you're gonna put 5 grand in there, not a whole lot of money, 15%, bare minimum, very generous, compounded monthly, every single month for 5 years. The end result would have been over $21 million. And the return on investment, oh boy, all-time rate return. That's just crazy high. And anybody who can make this kind of money for you, it is not a very sustainable return on investment for this company. Remember, Warren Buffett may be able to make about 20% a year if he is lucky. And he's extremely patient. And somehow these guys, we have we don't really know exactly who they are. They claim that, oh yeah, we can do that a month. What? That makes no sense whatsoever. And if anybody can do that, if I can do that, I would have taken a bank loan, invested by myself, pay back the bank 20% a year, not 15% a month to some guy off the street that I don't know. It makes zero sense. And I will make record profit right away. And I don't need someone else's money for that. Heck, I can even use my own money to do that. And I'll still be richer than Warren Buffett in a short amount of time. Makes no sense. They're especially they're saying 12 months. Now that is my point number two for the second red flag. Why did I say it's a second red flag? It is right in their own company registration. So the company is supposed to be registered on what? 16/02/2024. Today is 16 June. That's 16/06/2024. So 4 months ago. They have 4 months of history. They claim that they can do that for 12 months. Huh? What are they smoking? Wow. Have they even read through their own plan? That means that they are BSing you right now. If they can do that for 4 months, then why would they tell you that they've been doing it for more than 12 months? And the company has only been in existence for only how many months? 12, not 12 months, 4 months. Keep that in mind. 4 months. And if they say that, oh, we've been trading it before we had a company registration, well, prove it. I don't care unless they can prove it. Next red flag, right here. Everywhere else I look right into it, I don't see anywhere around the world, anywhere on the website, correction, that they are registered to offer securities anywhere around the world. Sure, they are supposed to be registered for business in Armenia. Okay, so so anytime a company is offering you passive return, that's called securities. They're trading, that's called securities. That's a financial product. They need to be registered with a securities commission. And if they want to take your money, for example, you're living in the US, like a lot of people promoting this out of the US, then they will need to be registered with the SEC. I'm in Hong Kong. So if they want to take my money, they need to be registered with the SFC. Canada, each province has its own provincial financial regulator. For example, British Columbia Securities Commission, Alberta Securities Commission, Ontario Securities Commission, and so on. In the UK, it's called SFC. They got none of those. All they have is what? Business registration. That's it. That's a massive red flag because how do you know that they're actually trading? People say that, oh, but we can see it in the back office. I've seen it a lot. Okay, so have that number, have all those data been audited by a third party? No. What is the point of having a financial regulator? It's the fact that they will regulate and also do what? Audit those numbers so that they can see that, oh, everything is legitimate. Everything's up to code by their laws and standards. And what else do they do? If the company rug pull, anything goes wrong, you can get a part of your deposit back because they're insured by the financial regulator. You put your money in this, you're risking 100% of your capital. I wouldn't put this in a 10-foot pool. I wouldn't even consider this at all. This is absolutely ridiculous. And the fact that, remember, this is crypto, not your key, not your money. Keep that in mind. Not your key, not your money. How many times have we seen anything like this? Exactly like this. Okay, I'm going to count just a handful of those with one hand right now. Okay. BitConnect, Warway Capital. Let's see. Wisely. Yeah, keep going. Shell Bank recently, that Rugpo. Yeah. Barox. I can keep going on and on and on that operate the exact same way. Absolutely meaningless at all. And the fact that this is supposed to be signed by this guy right here, decision of the sole participant, your participant. Great, awesome. He's a participant, but doesn't mean he's the owner. So crazy, right? Not very good. But here is a bigger kicker right here. So this guy had an interview with the supposed owner, Armin Sagazian. Yeah. And so this guy, Tom, he wrote, why does the Northern Chamber of Republic of Armenia don't show its doesn't, by the way. Oh yeah. So yeah, Joe, that's right. show the company is registered. I type in the registration number, his name, no result. So that means they don't even have a business registration for this company to begin with, if that is true. So this could be a forgery, extremely high risk. Wow. Now, this guy right here made a very good point because he downloaded the entire presentation, showed that, hey, how can they say TLC said that, hey, we've been trading since 2023, but the company has not been around since then. Absolutely no sense at all. Wow. And the fact that, if I'm not mistaken, correct me if I'm wrong, there are reports of them saying that we're offering 15th level deep MLM, keyword multi-level marketing comp plan. I've seen a lot of people saying that same thing. Okay, I'll take their word for it. Okay, that's another red flag too. What retailable product and service are they having? What retailable product? Because most MLM company, legitimate MLM company, you don't need to be part of the company to make to purchase the product. Keyword purchase the product. What I mean by that is they usually have a physical product that you can put your hands on. That's it. So you go to, for example, Amway, Herbalife, all these companies, you can just become a customer and buy product from them. They want, for members, they want you to start a business with them. You're selling their physical product, and that's how they make money. So instead of paying 50% on advertisement, all this kind of fee that they're paying members to pay it for them. To move the product for them. Sorry about that. Keyword, move the product for them. So the way I see this is nothing more but a scam and a Ponzi scheme. Stay the heck away from TLC. Okay? Signing off right now. Kathleen's version is coming up next. Ciao for now.